everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to make a very interesting recipe which everybody would love to have. I'm going to make pani puris. But today I'm not going to make the puris at home because I have these puris that are store-bought ones for a long time in my kitchen pantry, and I really want to try how these are going to work out. So I've heated up some oil on a very low speed. Add few puris at a time. Many of the puris did not puff up and many got wasted. That's an honest review of these store-bought ones. But when you have no time at home to prepare these puris, this would be really helpful. Out of 250 grams, I really got only 20 to 30 puris. I fried them and kept aside. Now we shall boil the potatoes. I'm not going to steam them. I've taken three potatoes and I'm going to pressure cook them, adding little turmeric and salt and water, and pressure cook until it blows 8 to 10 whistles. This saves a lot of time and helps peel off the skin very fast. Leave this aside. We shall prepare the pani for the puris. For the pani, you will require quarter cup of mint leaves, 2 green chilies, a piece of ginger and half cup of coriander leaves. Take it into a mixer jar and grind them. Add little water and grind them to a smooth paste. Run it off through a strainer. Add quarter cup of water to this. Now I am adding quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, one teaspoon of chaat masala. The chaat masala itself will have salt, so I am adding only half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. It was little tangy, so I added another quarter cup of water to this. If you want, you can squeeze in some lemon too. Smash off the potatoes. To these potatoes, I am going to add in few ingredients which will make the puris taste even more better. I am adding few chopped onions, salt. The potato itself has little salt. Half a spoon of chaat masala, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of green chili sauce. Mix well and our pani puris are ready. I'm actually plating these puris in order to get a thumbnail out of this, but I really don't have any patience to plate my puris and then have them. Panipuris are really satisfying only when you grab a puri, make holes, fill the potatoes, dip them in the pani, and straight away into your mouth. These were really tasty and yummy, so please do give it a try and comment below. Hope you all enjoyed these videos. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.